Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Numan Jaz and you are watching my YouTube channel Numan Technical. In this video, I can tell you that how to download PayPal app in Pakistan with proof. You can try to search this app from many websites but you can't find it. Now, I can show you proof that I can also download it in my Android, and now I can tell you that how to download this app in Pakistan. First of all, we can open our Play Store app and search for PayPal. You can also try to search this app from Play Store but you can't find it from here. Now I can saw this app also from Play Store and tell you that how to download this app in Pakistan. Now we can open our Google app. Now we can open our Google application and search for PayPal APK. PayPal APK. PayPal APK. You can saw from here there are many websites for downloading it, but in this video I can tell you the best website for download PayPal APK in Pakistan. You can also saw PayPal from Play Store. I can visit you this app from Play Store. You can saw that there is written this item is not available in your country, but I can tell you that how to download this app in this country, this application in this country. You can search many websites but the best website is nuptodown.com. You can download this application from here. Now I can visit you this website and tell you that how to download from here. You can saw now you can saw that there is a link of PayPal APK download. We can click it. I can saw this interface. I can also download it but I cannot download again in. Okay, thank you for watching our videos and subscribe our channel for more videos. This channel is for freelancing, online earning and technical works. Please motivation and like our videos and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.